friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Valentine's Day stitch. So first we're going to get started in the center, and we're going to start by drawing in the heart on the bottom. So we're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And then starting back in the middle, we're going to replicate that as we come around and then in towards the bottom on the right. Now let's draw in the shape of the face. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, lining that up at the same height. In the center for the hair, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then from that point in the middle, we're going to curve this line back down and then over. Now on both sides, we're just going to close off the top of the head by curving this line over and across. And then for the headband on the top, we're going to again curve this line around and then through towards the right. Now let's draw in the eyes. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the left-hand side and just replicate that. Moving over towards the inside for the pupil, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then in the middle for the highlight, we're just going to draw in a small heart. So we're going to curve this line out, back in. And then as we come out on the side, again, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. In the middle for the nose now, we're going to start by drawing in a curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're going to close this off with a nice big arch line. For the nostrils on both sides, we're going to curve this line across. For the mouth on the left, we're going to arch this line up. And then we're going to curve this line all the way around and then across towards the middle. On the top now, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then moving up again, we're going to replicate that one more time, just making that smaller. Now let's draw in our ears. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line over and across. On the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line further around and then in on the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left, just making that smaller. Now we're going to draw in a sideways letter V. Starting back on the side, we're going to again curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then up on both sides. And then on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line over and out. Now on top of our headband, we're going to draw in some hearts. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out, and we'll do this on both sides. Now from here on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving down again from that point, we're going to curve this line back around and then in on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw a Valentine's Day stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.